and welcome back to English Pot Up. This is the channel where you learn real English for daily life. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
Hello everyone, I'm Leo, and I'm learning English step by step.
Before we start, please subscribe to English Pot Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more useful English lessons.
Thank you for supporting English Pot Up. It really helps learners like me.
Today's topic is very practical. We are going to learn how to share opinions politely in English.
That sounds important. Sometimes I want to share my thoughts, but I don't want to be rude.
Exactly. We will learn simple and polite phrases you can use every day. Let's start with a basic sentence.
Okay.
You can say, I think, for example, I think learning English is fun.
I think learning English is fun.
Perfect. Now let's add some polite words.
Like what?
You can say, I believe, or in my opinion. For example, I believe this book is very useful.
I believe this book is very useful. In my opinion, this lesson is interesting.
Excellent. Now let's practice a short dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. What do you think about online learning?
I think online learning is very helpful. It is convenient and flexible.
Good. Now add a polite phrase.
In my opinion, online learning is very helpful.
Perfect. Now let's practice sharing different opinions.
Okay.
You can say, I'm not sure, but I think, or I could be wrong, but I believe.
I'm not sure, but I think this movie is interesting. I could be wrong, but I believe this cafe is very good.
Excellent. Now let's practice agreeing politely.
Okay.
You can say, I agree with you. That is a good point.
I agree with you. That is a good point.
Very good. Now let's practice disagreeing politely.
That is difficult.
You can say, I see your point, but I think, or I understand, but I believe.
I see your point, but I think the park is too crowded. I understand, but I believe this restaurant is better.
Perfect. Now let's practice a longer dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. What do you think about learning English online?
I think online learning is useful. It is flexible and convenient.
I agree with you, but some people prefer books. What do you think?
I see your point, but I think online learning is more interactive.
Excellent. Now let's practice asking for someone's opinion politely.
Okay.
You can say, what do you think about? Or, how do you feel about?
What do you think about this cafe? How do you feel about this lesson?
Good. Now let's practice a dialogue.
Hi, Emma. What do you think about this lesson?
I think it is very helpful and easy to understand. And you?
I believe it is very useful for beginners.
Perfect. Now let's practice giving examples to explain your opinion.
Okay.
You can say, for example, I think it is good because...
I think this lesson is good because it is simple. For example, listening and repeating helps me remember.
Excellent. Now let's practice a friendly disagreement dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea very much.
I prefer coffee, but I understand your choice.
That is polite. Thank you.
Perfect. Now let's practice a short exercise for our listeners.
Okay.
Listeners, repeat these sentences. I think, in my opinion, I see your point, but I think
English is fun. In my opinion, movies are interesting. I see your point, but I think reading is better.
Very good. Now let's practice using polite adjectives.
Okay.
You can say, I really enjoy. I find it very useful. I like it because...
I really enjoy learning English. I find this book very useful. I like it because it is clear.
Excellent. Now let's practice a full conversation for listeners.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. How do you feel about learning English every day?
I think it is very important. It helps me improve quickly.
I agree with you. For example, speaking every day is very useful.
Yes, I think practicing daily is helpful.
Perfect. Now, listeners, answer this question in English. What is your opinion about learning English? Use polite phrases like, I think, or in my opinion.
You can say, I think learning English is fun. In my opinion, practicing daily is useful.
Exactly. Practice sharing your opinion every day. Keep it polite and friendly.
Thank you, Emma. This lesson is very helpful.
You're welcome, and thank you to all our listeners.
Please subscribe to English Pod Up like this episode and share it with other learners.
Keep practicing and sharing your opinions politely.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.